Today we will be unboxing the Smart Disk Skimmer. When you get it, you'll have your manual and disc on top. Pull out the weldment and the motor. Now we'll be assembling the Smart Disk Skimmer. So next we will be adding our disc. We're going to unscrew the screws that's in this collar. Want to place the disc in between the wipers. And next you want to return your set screws once the disc is in line. You want to tighten the set screws down. You don't need a lot of torque, just low torque. And last but not least, we will be adding our galvanized nipples. And now your skimmer is ready to be mounted to the sump. So now you're ready to mount your skimmer on the sump. We have two mounting holes down here. You can sit your skimmer up on the sump and screw down your two mounting holes and it will be mounted.